Hi guys! Did you know that in Japan, there is a culture of eating Kentucky Fried Chicken at Christmas? You think I'm lying, right? But it's true. Let's leave that aside for now. I will show you how to make one of Japan's most popular foods, karaage. There are many recipes for karaage. For example, changing the type of flour used in the batter will change the texture. Here are some specifics on how they differ. Garlic and ginger are used to remove the smell, so don't put in too much. If you add too much, it will taste like ginger and garlic. Point: rub well to soak up the flavor of the meat. Meat is like a sponge. It absorbs water. You can soak them in the sauce without rubbing them in, but it'll take longer for them to penetrate. Rubbing it in will shorten the cooking time. Let it sit in the refrigerator for 15 minutes. Point: the egg mixture helps to coat the surface of the meat and lock in the flavor, and it doesn't get greasy when cold. Is there any difference in the finished product depending on the flour used? Wheat flour. Flour has been used for karaage for a long time. The batter is crispy when freshly fried and moist when cooled, making it suitable for bento. The flour itself has a flavor and easily sticks to the meat, thus locking in the flavor of the meat. The flour used should have a protein content of 9% or less. If you use a high protein content, the result will not be crispy. Potato starch. The result will be crunchy, hard, and whitish. It feels greasy when cold. In the old days, karaage, made only with potato starch, was called tatsudage, corn starch. It is crispy and light, and does not feel greasy even when cold. Rice flour. It is crispy and light, and does not feel greasy even when cold. It does not absorb much oil, making it healthy. Glutinous rice flour. Crunchy and mochi-mochi sticky texture. If you use glutinous rice flour for the batter, you get mochiko chicken, but this is a Hawaiian dish, not a Japanese one. This video shows a standard karaage recipe using flour and potato starch, but you can try different combinations to find your own favorite recipe. Heat over medium heat. Check that the temperature has reached 160 degrees or 320 Fahrenheit. Point: when frying, roll up the chicken. Rounding makes the meat thicker and the result juicier. Point: remove from oil and preheat to make the meat juicy. Heat over high heat. Deep fry in oil at 180 degrees or 356 Fahrenheit until browned. Point: by frying them slowly from oil at room temperature for a long time, the water is released. Food loses moisture in proportion to the heating temperature and time. Twice frying is a way to avoid cooking in hot oil for a long time and to achieve a juicy result. Frying rice is a time-consuming process, but it is an important step in making fried food taste good. It was fried to perfection. It's juicy. Looks good. Itadakimasu. Crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside. Best finish ever. It goes well with freshly cooked white rice and beer. I regret that it is not in front of me. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.